Kirstie'sKars. I seriously can't thank you enough for joining me. I've gotten a lot of new subscribers recently, and it makes me so happy. Like, it's just so cool to see that people want to just hang out with me, you know? That's pretty much what it is. I can't thank you guys enough for giving me somebody to talk to. I'm all alone in here all the time, one-man team, so it's super great to have, I don't know, almost like a venting session here with this camera with you guys. So thanks for putting up with me, laughing with me, and dealing with me. Instead of talking forever, I'm just gonna get straight to work. Let's go. I personally don't want to be cleaning right now, but Mother Nature has put a bunch of freaking leaves in my garage, so that's what I gotta do, guys. I can't work with all these leaves in here, like crunch, 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 like heading to pick up all of my kids from school. This is another part of the video. I legit am always running everywhere. Subaru is my mom-mobile. This is what I cruise around in. Probably not many of you know, unless you follow me on Facebook, but I have been going through some health issues per se. I definitely had a scare and went to the hospital. In 2015, when I was pregnant with my daughter, I developed a massive DVT in my leg, and if you don't know, that is a massive blood clot. Pretty much ran from my hip to my ankle. I was on blood thinners for about 2 years, And I've pretty much just been battling this blood clot since then. I mean, they say that my body is supposed to break this stuff down itself. So, I mean, I don't know. I'm just waiting for it to completely break down, I guess. But there is flow to my leg. It's not like a dead leg. I got super lucky and gave birth to my daughter naturally. No complications whatsoever. And I'm super blessed for that. And she's healthy as can be. A 4-year-old now. 5? Oh gosh, she's 5 now. Oh my goodness. Anyways, I have been taking it easy. I totally took a break for myself and, you know, just focused on my health there for a few days. And I mean, I honestly feel more sick away from my garage than I do in my bed. So, or wait. I don't know if that was right. I feel more sick when I'm away from my garage. I don't know. Oh my goodness, it's been way too long since I filmed something. I feel like I'm a little rusty again. I feel super energetic, like I have all this energy like pent up, like I just need to grind something. And that's what we're gonna do. Alright, you guys, so I just did some grinding and painting because why not? I mean, I know the bumper's gonna cover that area. I am not stupid, okay? But if you already have the bumper pulled apart, why not grind it down and put some rust barrier on there to make sure that it's not just like, you know, making more rust, you know? Because that's what happens. So, I went ahead and grinded it down, put a little rust protector under there, ba-bam. Now I'm gonna take the hatch off. I need to get a closer look up in there in that seal. I realized that you take it off by these pins one on each side that you gotta pull out. So let's see if I can do it. Okay, you guys, I work way too much in this lifetime, alright? Be it kids or my job, I just have way too much going on. So by the time I can get out here, it is dark, and I do not have very many lights. It is kind of gloomy in here, and cold, because I'm out of propane. But I have not been able to get back out here to take these out. I have been coming out here and spraying them because they seemed very rusty. So I've hit them a few times with some penetrant. I'm hoping that it'll make it easier for me tomorrow when I can get out here. You can't just take the hinge, like I was thinking I could just take, you know, undo the actual hinge, but it seems to be welded, so you actually have to take the pin out. So yeah, I got these bolts off, and I just need to break those pins free, and I should be able to get the hatch off. But I just wanted to go ahead and put out the video of what I have already done, and so I needed to end it on a sad note, but yet tell you guys what's going on. So